In Bangalore's Hullegowdanahalli, which is quickly developing, the demand for land surveyors has greatly increased. The government has sent a group of skilled land surveyors to the area to conduct surveys after realizing the requirement. These government land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli are equipped with the necessary knowledge and abilities to carry out precise land surveys, guaranteeing that property lines are precisely drawn and that there is no overlap or contradiction. It is best to contact the government surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli if you need land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, as they have a thorough awareness of the area's land laws and regulations. Among the services offered by the government land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli to its clients are topographical surveys, construction surveys, boundary surveys, and more. To make sure that all laws and norms are followed when conducting the survey, they collaborate closely with the local government. Additionally, they offer their clients thorough reports and maps that can be utilized in court. In conclusion, it is advised to go for the government surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli if you need land surveying services in Kamasandra, Bangalore. They can conduct precise and trustworthy surveys that fit your needs, thanks to their experience and cutting-edge equipment. The knowledge of the experts working at Kamasandra can be relied upon when trying to get the best land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore. Boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, and ALTA/NSPS land title surveys are just a few of the services provided by the land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. They guarantee that their consumers acquire accurate and trustworthy outcomes by utilizing cutting-edge tools like GPS devices, total stations, and contemporary software. They also offer thorough reports that are simple to read and comprehend. The top land surveyors in Hullegowdanahalli are also renowned for their professionalism, promptness, and superior client care. Client satisfaction is a top priority, and they collaborate closely with clients throughout the surveying process to make sure all of their demands are satisfied. They also consider any special demands or difficulties brought on by a specific project. In conclusion, anyone seeking precise and trustworthy surveying reports should consider using the services of the top land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. They are the best option for any land surveying needs because to their experience, use of cutting-edge technology, and dedication to customer satisfaction. Finding seasoned and dependable experts is crucial when it comes to land surveying in Hullegowdanahalli, Bangalore. Additionally, you might think about contacting the same team if you need land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore. This can guarantee uniformity and dependability in your surveying requirements across several Bangalore areas. Qualified land surveyors may produce thorough reports and analyses that can be valuable for a variety of objectives, with the aid of cutting-edge technology and effective procedures. Choosing the proper experts is essential whether you need surveys for private or business initiatives.